In today's video, it is Saturday morning and we are at the Kapiolani Community College Farmers Market. It's hosted every single Saturday from 7:30 a.m. until 11 o'clock in the morning. Admission is free and it's a great place to check out local arts and crafts, local food, souvenirs, live music, and it's actually right across the street from Diamond Head Crater. So if you're looking for a nice half-day activity to check out, you could easily do the Farmers Market in the morning followed by Diamond Head or in reverse, but just keep in mind that Diamond Head Crater does require reservations if you're a visitor. I'll leave a link in the description box below on how you can make a reservation to hike Diamond Head Crater. In today's video, we're going to take you on a full walking tour of exactly what it looks like at KCC Farmers Market. Let's get into it. For the Farmers Market, when you get to the Farmers Market after you park, or if you decide to Uber, taxi, or Lyft here, there's an information booth on the far left-hand side. Stop by there first because there's a QR code where you can get a map of all the vendors that are here. There's also an ATM, restrooms are over in the right, and then over here, there's the sign for the KCC Farmers Market. Again, Saturdays, 7:30 a.m. to 11 o'clock. So in today's video, we're going to take you guys on a walking tour. Let's go ahead and get into it. So right when you walk in, a lot of the vendors will take either cash or card. But of course, it's always easier to have cash. Some of the items, I'm just going to read them off as we pass by. They've got fresh cut flowers over here on the right-hand side. There's mineral sunscreen, coffee, tea, and again, just to kind of show you, it's super crowded right now. Again, the marathon is tomorrow, which is Sunday, and today is Saturday, and it's around 9 o'clock. They have honey samples over here. Really excited for the samples. Ooh, cookies. Do you want one? Hello. Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you. This one. Okay, take that one. I'll take one. Sorry.
Oh, wow.
Thank you.
So we cannot.
Sorry. They're really good. Oatcakes, juices, and salads. Lots of different options for coffee. And as you can see, it's about 9 o'clock in the morning and 3 of them are already sold out. The Hawaiian Taro Bowl, Pineapple Bowl, and Better Than Acai Bowl. Thank you. So if you do want to have the most amount of options, you want to make sure to get here at 7:30 in the morning. The lines are pretty long, but as you can see, they're moving pretty quickly. There's dog treats over here, banana smoothies, macadamia nuts, CBD topicals, ulu chips, more acai bowls. So throughout this walking tour, we're going to go on a lap all the way around, and then we'll show you each of the different stalls. Again, just to kind of give you a little bit of a sneak peek of what you can get here. Would definitely recommend checking this out if you have the time. If you decide to walk from Waikiki, I would probably not recommend that. The distance isn't too far. It's only 2 miles. However, it is uphill. I would probably say maybe Uber, taxi, or Lyft to get out here, and then on the way back, you could maybe walk down the hill instead. And then they also do have hot food as well. So we have Honolulu Burger Company over here. Lots of sandwiches, burgers, price points. A Loco Moco burger runs about $13. Combo meals as well. That smells really, really good. And then over here, more fresh produce. This is actually a really good place to stop at too if you're staying at an Airbnb or if you're here for more than a week, for example, and you want to get some fresh groceries that are locally sourced and super affordable. This would be a great place to start. We have candies, nuts, matcha, tea, and honey. And there's pasta as well. It smells really good over here. You can smell the pasta. This is probably going to be a popular stop for the marathon runners for carbo loading. Lots of different juices, pineapple lilikoi, pineapple guava, pineapple mango, ginger. And it comes in these little containers like this. Sorry. Green smoothies and mango smoothies. Oh, you can even, if you wanted to get one of these, fresh coconut, 100% fresh. And then over here, it looks like we've got the Kona coffee on the right-hand side. Very, very busy. Oh, that's so cute. Look, they have the little water for dogs if you were bringing your dog here. And as you can see on the right-hand side, the Kona coffee, they also have it pre-packaged. So if you did want to get some souvenirs for the coffee aficionados back home, this would be a really great place to start. See, they have sausage over here as well. All right, we're going to go up this loop over here and then show you guys the top of the hill and then loop back down. Oh, wow. Look, the line for this goes all the way down. Oh, my goodness. All right, so heading on up. As you can see, lots of stuff you can eat here. Plenty of, this is probably one of my favorite farmers markets, literally for this exact reason. You're not just getting like smoothies, you can get hot food, you can get packaged food, you can get groceries, you hit all your errands at once, and it's a great place to go to either before or after Diamond Head. I would say do Diamond Head first, and then once you finish, you can come over here, grab a bite to eat as a nice reward for yourself. Over here, they've got honey. Oh, they've got honey samples. Let's take a look.
Turns more like a supplement.
Can we try? Thank you. Yes, please. Life cycle of the honeybee.
So that was like the range from like the light area to like.
That's super cool.
Happy holidays.
All right, we start off with the lightest one. This is the Kiave.
Thank you.
Can we try some too?
Yeah. So this one is totally unheated.
Very good. We have over here smoked terry salmon, spam musubi, salmon bowls. And then over here on the right-hand side, fresh cut flowers. There's some orchids over here. If you're here on a holiday or you're celebrating someone's birthday or anniversary and you want to try to get local fresh flowers, this is a great option. Instead of the normal roses or sunflowers, get orchids. There's iced coffee as well. So even walking through here, although it is super busy, the places that do have lines, the lines seem to be moving pretty quickly, which is nice. And again, a good mixture of hot food, cold food, packaged food, fresh produce. Again, great option if you're staying here for multiple weeks, for example, or you're staying at Airbnb, or you just want to, you're staying at somewhere which has like a kitchenette and you want to have some fresh groceries. There are some grocery stores in Waikiki. There's the Waikiki Market, and then there's a few ABC stores, but those are typically going to be a bit more expensive than the farmers market. So this is again a great place, a great way to support local farmers.
You sell what?
Over here we've got Mexican style street corn, cut fruit over here, different bunches of flowers. It smells really good. You guys can't tell, but we just got a giant whiff of the Mexican style sweet corn. Oh, street corn, and it was actually really good. Let's see, tomato. Over here they have the Hawaiian cane juice, really popular, especially if you've gone to any of the Waikiki block festivals. They usually have a line like 20 to 30 people deep, but you can see how they make the sugarcane juice. Nice and fresh. All right.
What's your name?
All right, so a couple different stalls have a lot more selection, of fresh produce. They even have the rambutans, longans, egg fruit, a nice good variety. At the ABC stores, they'll typically just have the regular fruits like pineapple, mango, and so forth. So good variety here. And again, a lot of these vendors do accept cash and card, but some only accept cash. So definitely make sure you bring cash. And if you do bring cash, bring smaller bills, 5, 10s, 20s. Don't avoid bringing hundreds. Oftentimes they might not have the change to break it for you. So 5, 10s, and 20s would work best. Actually, after filming this video, I am going to pick up some produce for my apartment. I think I've talked about food this entire video, but I do need to get some groceries. So the rambutan looks really good, and so do those apple bananas. Now, if you like walking videos like this, then we have a whole series, the Waikiki Now series, which has a lot of different walking narrated tours where we take you to different parts of Waikiki. Now, we are, of course, not in Waikiki now, but we are expanding to include some other places, North Shore, the East Side, Ko'olina, just to show you what it looks like, to get a feel for the vibe of the area and what are some points of interest, things you can do and see, and to see if it's something that you want to actually visit. The farmers market, I know some people have had mixed reviews. Some people don't want to go to another farmers market. However, after seeing a video, oftentimes they'll realize it's actually pretty fun to be out here. It's not just produce. There's arts and crafts again, there's live music, there's other stuff to do, and it varies. Sometimes it does get really busy, but overall it's a good place, point of interest to add to your vacation stay. Ooh, that smells really good too, the noodles. Vietnamese iced coffee. That one is from, let's see, The Pig and the Lady. It's a restaurant in downtown. All right, we'll head down the hill and show you guys the inside row, or excuse me, the inside circle of the shops. And again, as you can see, we're right across from Diamond Head. So you see Diamond Head the entire time. It's a good location for the farmers market. Again, admission free of charge, open 7:30 to 11 o'clock. I've been here as late as 10:30 before, but a lot of the stuff, all of the good stuff is typically gone or sold out. I would recommend getting here 7:30 in the morning, 8 o'clock, just so you can have the best selection. We have kettle pop over here on the right-hand side, kettle popcorn. And then over here we have some more plants as well. Let's see, pure Hawaiian ginger ale and mocktail. Again, like I said, a lot of these places do have lines, but they're moving pretty quickly, and it is still kind of early in the morning, about 9:30 in the morning. They have, let's see, corn rolls over here, Mexican ceviche and salad. Let's see, veggie dogs. So where we are right now is a lot of the hot selection. It smells so good as we're walking through this area. Let's see, this one is plant-based hot dogs. There's Cairo barbecue chicken kebabs, gourmet summer rolls. Hi, how's it going? Gourmet summer rolls. And a lot of the vendors will typically display whatever they have right on the table, so you can have a look before you actually make any purchases. And then they have some more produce over here as well. So for example, this is a good one. This one is cash only, so again, make sure you do have cash. There is an ATM here, but if you have cash, I would just go ahead and bring it to avoid paying those ATM fees. And then as you can see, this line goes super, super long over here for the dish that's over here. I'm just going to come around to kind of show you guys. The lines can typically snake all the way around, and a lot of the food vendors, such as the acai bowls, those lines are super long as well. But again, moving pretty quickly, so we'll loop back around this way to show you guys a little bit more of this inner circle. You can kind of follow the food wherever there's grills. Super tasty. There's seafood chowder, garlic shrimp plates. If you didn't make it up to the North Shore to try garlic shrimp, they do have it here as well. Mexican food gourmet burgers. And then over here they have the lobster roll too. We're almost done. We're just nearing the end. We've got a couple more places to show you guys. And then there's iced tea over here with pineapples. Brazilian style cheese bread, which is super tasty. We tried to sample from them on a different date. But same thing, decently long lines, but they are moving pretty quickly. And then over here, one of the last bits is going to be a produce stand. All right, I think we've seen a little bit of everything. We've done a full walking tour of the KCC Farmers Market. I hope this shows you a little bit of what you can expect here and entices you to come on down. Again, KCC Farmers Market Saturdays from 7:30 in the morning to 11 o'clock. Until the next one, guys. On this one-page planner, you have everything that you need where you can jot down your details for your hotel, rental car, tours and activities, things that you want to do, and a general itinerary.